Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be going over the best heroes that you can play in solo queue in ranked matches and get those precious stars. This video will include heroes from all different roles. Without further ado, let's get right into the list. The best hero to carry in the DS lane is Superman. Normally, DS laners stay in their lanes and try to split push or take towers. But in the case of Superman, you can clear the waves and quickly rotate to other lanes to put pressure on the mage or the marksman and still come back to your lane for the next wave. This is due to his very fast movement speed across the match and help you have a lot of influence on the team fights. He can also one-shot the enemy marksman in the late game. If you are not very good with Superman, you can always pick Yana. She is pretty good at eliminating the enemy carries and providing crowd control for your team. Hayate is one of those heroes that can build quite tanky and still dish out a lot of damage. His late game true damage output is huge and he has a very reliable dash to escape assassins. Since he is tankier than other marksmen, it's hard for assassins to take out Hayate in the late game. He can also use his S2 while moving, which makes him a pain for heroes that try to chase him down.
I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for.
Zata is pretty high skill capped hero who is played in the middle lane. Though he lacks in the crowd control department, his damage output is absolutely insane and he also has a very short cooldown on his ultimate. This enables Zata to dive in and finish both the enemy carries with ease and still get away and wait for a few seconds and ult in again. He has a very high mobility which prevents him from getting caught. Next upon the list is Zill. He has one of the longest dashes in the game, a few seconds of untargetability, and he has a huge damage output. And since Zill is a magic damage hero, you will have very huge advantage from the early game, because tanks don't build magic defense early on. With Zill you can dive without fear and carry your team to victory.
Exaggerated, that's what you assume. watching you on. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of
In the first spot, we have Yarol in the Jungle. Most of you probably expected him to be in the list. He has crowd control, he has the lifesteal, he has the few seconds of untargetability, he has the dash. If you are good enough, you can literally 1v5 the enemy team and carry yours.
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I'll be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know